Welcome. If you're looking to add a service area to your Facebook page using the Facebook app on your PC, especially after the new update, you've come to the right place. I'm going to walk you through the simple steps to get your service area set up quickly and easily. First, open the Facebook app on your computer. Once you're logged in, look towards the top right corner of your screen and click on your profile photo. This will give you quick access to your page. Next, navigate to the page you manage. When you're on your page, find and click on the About section. This is where all the details about your business live, and it's the perfect spot to add your service area. Within the About section, scroll down until you see Contact and Basic Info. Click on that to open up the options where you can add details like your phone number, email, and now your service area. Here's the key part. Look for the option that says Add Service Area. Clicking this will allow you to search for neighborhoods, towns, or cities where you provide your services. You can enter multiple locations to cover all the areas you want your customers to know about. Once you've added all the relevant locations to your service area, don't forget to save your changes by clicking the Save button. This ensures that your updated service area is reflected on your page and visible to your audience. By following these straightforward steps, you'll help your customers better understand where they can find your services, boosting your local reach and making your page more useful. Thanks for watching.